Happy morning, students. Today's topic, changes around us. Changes around us. What is a change? Change is the transition of a substance from one form to another. Let us try and define change for the purpose of science. We can define it as an act by which a thing forms or becomes different than its previous self. When ice melts, it changes into water. Ice melts and it changes into water. Therefore, it turns it from solid to liquid form. And next one, some of the common changes are there. Slow and fast changes, example, growing tree. Periodic and non-periodic changes, example, day and night changes. Physical and chemical changes, example, boiling egg. Reversible and irreversible changes. Let us see about reversible changes. Reversible change is an effect on a substance which can then be returned to its original state. The change alters only physical state of the substance. However, no new substance is formed. When we put some water in the freezer, refrigerator, it will turn into ice. It will turn into ice cubes, right? And if we then warm the ice cubes, we will get the water. This is a reversible process. This is a reversible change, right? Reversible change. Water turns into ice in the process of freezing and cooling. And next one, ice changes into water in the presence of heating and melting process. Okay, next one, irreversible change. What is irreversible change? An irreversible change is a change that you cannot undo. For example, if you burn a paper, burning of paper, for example, if you burn a paper, there is no way to restore it, right? Yes. Even if you carefully collect all the ashes and all the smoke and other gases that is produced by the fire, there is no possible way of processing these materials to make them come back together, right? And irreversible, this is the example for irreversible change. Irreversible changes are also known as permanent change, right? Process like heating and burning, mixing, powdering, this is ash, powdering cause permanent change. And another example, tearing paper. Tearing paper, this is a irreversible change. And burning matchstick. This is a new stick and I already burned this matchstick. This is an irreversible change. And next one, I am going to show another example for irreversible change. I am going to take one balloon and blow air into it. You can see that the shape and size of the balloon. You can see the shape and size of the balloon. Yes. And it is not changed, right? And I am going to prick this balloon. with the tip of a pin. What happened? Yes, it is burst. Can you get the balloon back? No, because it is a irreversible change. Example, burst balloon. Let us recall today's portion. What is a change? Change is the transition of a substance from one form to another. Some of the common changes are there: slow and fast changes, example growing tree; periodic and non-periodic changes, example day and night process; physical and chemical changes, example boiling egg; and reversible and irreversible change. Reversible change, example water turns into ice cube. Water turns into ice cube with the help of freezing and cooling process, and ice turns into water. This process presents the process of heating and melting. Coming to the irreversible changes, changes which cannot be reversed are called irreversible changes, otherwise known as permanent change. Example, tearing paper is an irreversible change, and burning matchstick, burning paper, and burst balloon. Thank you, students.